This is Scott the Fix-It Guy, and if you have a washing machine front loader that's building up water down here, a couple things could be causing it, kind of a leak. One is that the glass bowl, especially down here at the bottom, has some stuff that's built up, some dirt, and it no longer can make a good watertight connection to this part. And if that's the case, you can just clean it with water and a rag and just get that real clean, and then you'll have a nice watertight connection again. So if you notice there's a little bit of evidence that the water is dribbled, that's due to that happening. You can see a little bit of evidence here too. And then you get water down here, but nothing's really wrong, you just have to clean that. The other thing that you see sometimes is the boot will develop a leak. So you grab this part of the boot or the gasket, pull it back and stretch it a little bit and see if there's any tears or holes. This one looks great because you can see water is actually in there. And if there is a hole, then you can replace this part. There's a lot of videos on how to do that. Just looking at these little holes here, making sure that these ports are clear. They look good. So this washing machine's doing fine. This was due to, though, some stuff that had built up right there, and now it's nice and clean.
This is what the washing machine looked like when we first got here before cleaning it. You can see all this awful stuff that accumulated, just dirt and soap and animal fur, and it just no longer creates a watertight seal. So I'm just using some water and a rag. You can use Windex and just take your time, clean that stuff off until it's nice and shiny glass again, and that'll almost for sure get rid of your problem. Probably take you 3 minutes or less and you'll be done. The other problem sometimes is the boot will have a hole in it, but more often than not it's just that this glass bowl gets dirty. So nice and clean and watertight. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thank you.